Welcome, here I've got Umidigi X and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button from the right. So hi again, and now let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings with the mirror capture option. By using this button from the right, we can turn on the mirror effect and turn it off as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.